Hey, welcome or welcome back to the channel. I'm Chantal. So in this series, we are making over this cute little villa in Bali. It's going to be on Airbnb in the next couple of weeks. So last week we did this space, this cute little corner. And today we're going to just be making some more progress. There's a lot to do, so stick with it. And if you haven't done already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell for new video releases. Okay, so in this video, we're gonna be working on this garden wall. Well, this is one of the projects that we're gonna do anyway. So this is what it looked like at the start. I had to remove all of that timber because it was in a bad state. It was really rotten. This was the piece of timber that was at the base of that wall. So we removed that and then I painted it white, but I really didn't like the bare white look, and so I added some texture, basically just mixing up a couple of different colours of paints, all paints that I had, didn't buy anything, and just I think I initially rolled it on, and then here I'm just going over it with a roller. Really watered down paint, so if you'd seen the earlier video where I've done the lime wash effect, it's quite similar. So really watery, but you're just wanting to break up that stark white look. I added these shelves to the wall. These shelves are basically shelves that I took out from the kitchen that I no longer wanted to use, and I decided that I was going to create a plant wall. Really simple concept, just adding some cascading plants onto the shelves. I'm also going to be adding some palms at the bottom, but this is what it's looking like just with the plants on the shelves. Already looking so cute, and it's going to look better in a few months' time when all the plants are lush. And then this is what it's looking like with the palms at the bottom. Really simple concept, but I think it goes really well with the overall kind of aesthetic, given that we are, have this beautiful rice field view. It just kind of aligns with the nature and with the whole environment. I decided that I was going to spruce it up a little bit more, just using these pendants that I had removed from the villa, and I decided that it would look so cute if I just added these around this wall. I really love upcycling, and given that I already had them, I just thought, why not? They look really playful and they add so much more character to the space. A really nice touch, if I say so myself. They're cute and they're definitely giving off that tropical vibe. I also decided to add a hammock. It just was screaming out for a hammock. It's the perfect spot to lounge and just chill. And I think when guests come here, it's just going to be another, element that is appealing, a place that they can relax, a tranquil little spot. And I think that's going to be a real upsell element for this space. Okay, so in the last video, we started with this bathroom and we painted this back wall. So I think I told you that the plan for this bathroom is to go for a pink and black look. We want it to be bold because this bathroom is kind of lacking. It's dark, it's narrow, there's not much lighting, so it needs a lot of help as far as styling goes. Bathrooms are something that people gravitate to when they're staying in an Airbnb. It's kind of one of the first things that people look at, so we want to make it stand out. So on the walls, I've gone for a pink lime wash effect, similar to the effect that I've done in the other rooms, and then the vanity, we're going to paint that black. So this villa is going to be put on Airbnb, and so we have to be mindful of that in everything we do. Working with a budget, we're designing for profit, we want to work with what we have. So in this instance, I'm trying to maintain the mirror, just spruce it up a bit so we can use it, working with what we have with the vanities. The only things I've really changed is the faucet there because that really needed to go. But it really is important to look at what you have and what can be enhanced without having to go out and spend on new things. One of the things that I did indulge in though was these beautiful bathroom accessories. It's from this store and they specialise in marble and concrete and stone toiletry cosmetic holders, and they're actually really beautiful. I think these little touches don't cost the earth, but they do bring a lot and really make the place stand out and memorable. So for both of the en-suites, they're both pretty much identical, but the difference is on the back wall. So here we're adding some elkhorn plants, I think they're elkhorns, just to spruce up this wall, add some energy, add some life, some vibrance. Plants are also really good for the environment, if you didn't know that. And these ferns do really well in a moist kind of bathroom environment too. A quick reminder of the bathroom before and afterwards, totally transformed. For me, it's all about the details. So even the choice of plants where you can see those pink veins, the concrete little cosmetic accessories with those signs, it's just those little things that really set it apart and really important when you're looking at creating an Airbnb, especially when it's in a market such as Bali where there are so many options. You really want to stand out. I think the wall looks amazing. It's going to be a challenge to maintain it, but that's something we'll work out. But I think it brings so much energy and life to this space, and I couldn't be happier with the choice. That black really just makes that green pop, and it's definitely a standout as soon as you walk into the room. In the second bathroom, we've gone for these brass shelves instead of the plants directly on the wall. They're on these shelves, and we're also putting the accessories on the shelves as well. So a very similar look, but just a slight difference with the finish. It adds a touch of elegance, and if you can see, we've gone for the brass pumps as well, just to complement those brass shelves. This mirror has a beautiful LED backing light, which is really nice, and everything else is pretty much the same. So there you have it, 2 bathrooms done. We are getting through things slowly but surely, but doing things well and in a way that we're really happy with. Alright, so that's it for this video. The next full video, I'm probably going to tackle the 2 bedrooms, but look out for a couple of shots that I might just drop in between. Alright, well thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the bathrooms and the outdoor space in the comments below. And until next time, catch you soon.